All right, drink we're about to make is called Space Odyssey. Let's go ahead and fill up our glass with ice here. And we're going to measure out 1 shot of 151 proof rum. And we're going to follow that up with 1 shot of Malibu rum. And also 1 shot of pineapple juice. Next, we're going to add some orange juice. Just fill it the rest of the way with orange juice and give it a dash of grenadine. And we'll stir it up. Get it all mixed together. That's good enough. And we're going to garnish it with a cherry. Just got our cherry here on a sword. Go ahead and drop that in. Add a straw. And ready for a nice fruity cocktail. Space Odyssey. Bottoms up.